Panasonic washing machines all feature our unique energy-saving technology, ECONAVI. ECONAVI uses environmental factors to garner an energy saving above and beyond the already efficient Energy Star ratings. Built-in sensors detect the water temperature and sets the optimum washing time. When the temperature is high, detergents dissolve quickly, therefore, a shorter washing time is made possible. They can also detect the load amount and set an optimum wash time and water level, eliminating unnecessary power and water use. ECONAVI sensors also detect the materials when you're washing. Something like jeans are thicker and therefore require more time to spin dry. However, softer fabrics require less time, so a saving is made as less time is needed to spin dry. Panasonic washing machines are also powered by inverter motors for graduated controlled power, quiet operation and high energy efficiency.